Okay, I just wanted to show you this real quick. I have a bucket of topping here, and I have a bucket of taping mud. And the reason I've done that is because I'm going to tape this and top this. Now this is ultralight taping mud, and you can top with it too, but I've got a lot here and I have too much to do with just Durbond. I pre-filled everything, pre-filled all the big gaps, got it all nice and ready to tape, and then I'm going to tape this. I'm going to put the off angles in. But this is why I mixed up 2 buckets. Otherwise I would have only mixed up 1, taping mud, went through and taped it, then mixed up some topping mud and gone through and topped it. But what I'm going to do is I have this window, of course, these 2 windows here, but this is why I did it. Because when I come out here and I come out onto the scaffolding and this stairwell, and I'm doing all of this work up and around here, I'm going to tape this and top this right away. I'm not even going to hesitate. I'm just going to tape it, turn around, grab my topping mud, top it, pull the ladder and plank down so I can get up and down these stairs, and everybody can get up and down these stairs. So that's why I've mixed up the 2. This is the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to tape and coat this upper part of the staircase, tear this all down, do the lower part of the staircase, and then I'll go start working on the windows, and then I will tape all of these other windows together. I mean, I'm just going to tape this window, tape these other windows. I think I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other windows that I have to tape around. But for the staircase, tape top, get the scaffold out of the way, and be done with it so I'm not holding anybody else up. Like my wife who wants to come up and down the stairs. This is my house. I'll show you this to you now. I have this all taped and coated. Let's see, that might help. I don't know. I got a lot of light coming in here, but you'll see this is all taped and coated up here. It's just not even taped down here. So what I will do now is I will not worry about coating the bottom part of the stairwell. I've got the scaffolding all out of the way now. That's gone. Stairs aren't blocked by anybody. Anybody can get up and down, and I will I'll tape that. And I'll tape all these windows and then I'll top them all in. So you guys have a great day. Oh, and don't say, oh, I wish I would have seen you tape it. I've got some videos on me taping stuff like this. Just go into my playlist and check out beginners, and you'll see me taping this stuff by hand, a lot like this. So you guys have a good day. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right? You guys have a great day.